Hey hosts, I wanted to come in and show you how to invite your guests to the table. I'm going to be sharing a link with you, and when you click it, you're going to be asked to enter your email, your first and last name, your email, and your phone number. We're going to also encourage your guests to also use their phone number, and I'll show you why. So once you come in, you'll see your name here, and it'll either have the dates of the party, when the items are due, or maybe my phone number here. This shop link, shop now, will go to your specific link on my website. And I'll give you that link separately as well in case somebody doesn't join the table and asks you just how to order. But our goal is to get 50 of your friends in the party. And so you're going to get a prize when you start inviting when you hit the 25 person level. So see this button down here that says invite friends? You're going to want to click that. And if you're on your phone, you can click text and you can just text the link to your friends. You can email it, you can share it to your Facebook, or if you're on your computer, you can just copy the link. And then you can go ahead and, email, text, whatever, or send it to yourself. So that is how you're going to invite your friends. We will be able to see how many people are in the party. It'll say guests attending right here. So we want to keep an eye on that because we want to have at least 25 of your friends that have clicked the link before we start our party. Now, if they give their phone number, there will only ever be 3 texts that can come from our party. It's see what you're missing, last chance, meaning we're going to be wrapping up, or if we're doing a shared rewards party, there's a specific type of text that we can share, that I can share from there. So only 3 texts will go out to them on that. The only other time they might see something like that is if we do what is called a live chat. And a live chat is when we have guests in the party and we can do like a Zoom meeting where you're on the party and I'm on the party at the same time. And so a live chat, we would click this and a video camera would come up. It would tell you how to disable, the ad blocker kind of thing, and then we'd be able to see everybody. And so I'm willing to do a demonstration if you want. We want to schedule a time and a date for that so that we can promote it to your friends, because unlike Facebook, it won't be streamed into this event. They have to actually be on it live to see us. But the better thing is that we know that every post that your guests are going to see that I post in here. So about 10 posts, between 8 and 10 posts a day for 4 to 5 days, depending upon how many different topics you want us to cover. So when we did Facebook parties, it wasn't like that. Only about 1 in 7 of my posts got seen by your friends. So they're going to see a lot more in here, and it's all going to be in at one time each day. So they're going to click the same link, this link here that you're going to send them. They're going to click the same link once a day, and they will get an email reminder once a day saying, hey, there's new content in your party. And so that helps them to remember to come back in. So we have seen great results from this. I'm really looking forward to partnering with you on your table. So let's welcome your friends to the table.